$1,000 in 3 days is how much you can expect to make on Whop. The average creator on Whop makes over $7,000 per month. Yes, per month. Most people work hard to make that kind of money. But with Whop, you don't need to work hard, you don't need any prior experience, you don't need to invest any money, you don't need to have any crazy skills, and you don't need to have any social media following at all. You can make money on Whop with literally 0 followers or subscribers, and there are a ton of ways to make money on Whop. You can make money by selling products or services like digital products, coaching programs, subscription services, and courses, etc. By the end of the video, I'm going to show you the easiest, guaranteed, and proven way to make over $10,000 fast. Whop is like Amazon but made for digital products and services by creators, coaches, entrepreneurs, etc. So in this video, I want to show you how to make money by simply clipping creators' content on Whop and then posting those clips on either Instagram, TikTok, X or Twitter and YouTube even if you have 0 followers or subscribers. And by simply doing that, Whop pays you for the views that you get so you can easily make your first online money on Whop. For example, CJ, who only has a few followers, makes over $60 per hour or over $480 per day and sometimes over $2,000 a single day, simply clipping videos. That just goes to show you how easy it is for you to make money on Whop. And if you've never made any money online, this is your chance right here to make your first $1,000 online. And if you end up monetizing your social media pages or YouTube channel with those clips, not only are you going to make money with Whop, but you'll also be getting paid from your social media pages or accounts as well. So now, how do you make money on Whop clipping other people's videos? Well, I'm going to show you everything from how to create your account, where to find content that you need to clip, how to submit and make money, etc. You can do all this with your computer or your smartphone as it's basically one and the same thing. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to do it on your phone, just to show and prove to you that you don't need a PC to make money on Whop.
So the first thing that you need to do is to create a Whop account. All you need to do is to sign up, and then all you need to do in order to sign up is to put in your email or your Google account. So once you do that, the next thing that you need to do is to verify your email address. They will send you a code to your email which you need to put into the verification bar, and once you do that, you'll be all set and done. And then once you do that, you need to put in your username, which you can later change into your settings if you want to do any changes. So once you put your username, that's literally it. And then you just put your profile picture or the avatars that the platform gives you. Then from there, you need to join a Whop. So a Whop is like a group where you get updates and stuff like that. They even inform you of some gigs that you can make money from and all that kind of stuff. So there are a lot of ways to make money on Whop. So you need to choose which way that you are going to use to make money on Whop. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is to make money with content clipping. So when you go to home, like as you are seeing right now, all you need to do is to go on discovery, scroll down to see where it says content rewards, as you can see. So under content rewards, then you just want to scroll and click on show more. Even on a desktop, it's just the same. Even when you download the Whop app, it's basically the same thing. Since in this tutorial I'm specifically teaching you how to make money clipping videos, you need to change the type to clipping. Then it's going to show you all the clipping jobs available. Like this guy Paul is paying $2 per 1,000 views, this one $1, and the other one is paying $4 per 1,000 views. Or you can sort by CPM to see what clipping gigs are paying more per 1,000 views. As you can see here, the highest CPM you can make is $5 per 1,000 views for all these easy jobs. And they even tell you the platforms where you need to post. Like for instance, in this case, they want you to post on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, etc. Sometimes they might tell you to post only on YouTube or only on TikTok, just like that. As you can see, there are so many ways you can make money by clipping. It goes all the way down. You can make money if you want. You can apply like to all of them if you have the time, of course. The way you make money with clipping is you simply go to one of these clipping gigs that you are seeing right here. Then they give you a link to, it might be a YouTube video or an Instagram reel. So all you do is basically get the best moments of that video, then you create those into short videos, then you get to post them on your own page. Then when you get like 1,000 views or 100 views and going up, you get paid based on whatever views that the video is getting. And there are so many free video editors out there, either on a computer or your phone, depends whatever video editor that you are using. It might be CapCut, you might be using Canva, you might be using either Adobe Premiere or whatever video editor that you have, and it's very easy to generate $1,000. There are a lot of people who are making over $1,000 in a single day just by clipping videos. So it's easy, and once you're done clipping, you just submit and you get to make money by simply doing that. You don't need to be monetized on whatever page that you have. You don't need to have a certain number of subscribers or followers. You can start from literally 0 followers and you can make money with Whop. It's very easy. A lot of people who don't have followers are making generous amounts of money by simply clipping videos. You just edit it a bit and whatnot, and then you get to post it on your own social media page, and you can make money by simply doing that. As you can see, there are people who are making their first money online in just a few minutes. And also, once you get to make money on Whop, you can also post about it on this platform, and you can make $3 each and every time that you talk about the success that you've encountered on the app. That's the reason why you are seeing people who are posting how much they've made on Whop. So it's very easy. You can make money in a lot of ways. These are just average people who are making countless amounts of money, and you don't even need to get 1,000 views in order for you to get paid. As you can see, there are people like this one who are getting paid $1 here, $1 there, $2 here for the little amount of views that they are getting. You don't necessarily need to get 1,000 views in order to get paid. You get paid when you get minimum 100 views and going up. And when we talk about shorts, either on TikTok or YouTube, it's very easy to get 1,000 views and going up. And as for this guy, as you can see, he's getting paid every single minute because he decided to be clipping videos for a lot of content creators. So as you can see, he's receiving countless amount of money each and every time because he signed up to different clipping gigs that anyone can easily do. And you don't even need to be like a very skilled editor, because clipping videos is very simple. You just find some of the best clips of the video and you get to clip that and post it on whatever social media platform that you are being recommended to post to.
But there is even a better way to make money on Whop, where you can literally make over $10,000 fast and easily. I and a lot of other average people just like you and me are making thousands of dollars per month on Whop by simply doing what I'm going to tell you in this video. If you don't make money with this video, I don't know what will.